to know about Skyline through one of our apartment guy. He had done the interior through Skyline. So once I visited their apartment, so their first look, it clicked me a lot. So I'm very choosy about look and feel. So in the first glance, I felt, wow, this is so beautiful. So I went to the YouTube. I saw many videos. All of their videos are very nice. So I thought, yeah, maybe let me give it a try. So I called Mr. Imran. Okay, he gave enough time. Okay, immediately it took our requirement, and he gave the initial quote within 1 hour. So it was like, wow. I think he was very responsive. Within 1 hour, like, he took our requirement and he gave the initial quote. So I felt like, yeah, this guy is like, very much interested. So I asked him to come next day for the measurement. Next day he sent someone to take the measurement. They came, they took the measurement. So after the measurement was done, so I finally met with Mr. Imran to finalize the, the final quote depending on our requirement. So one good thing about this Skyline is that, they don't ask for the bigger amount for the 3D designs. So I spoke to multiple vendors. So after measurement, they will ask for the big amount, but these guys, they will take only very nominal amount to proceed with the 3D. So yeah, so their designer, they had a one call with me. They asked my requirement. So depending on my requirement, they gave the initial 3D designs. And after that, there are multiple iterations. And the good thing about the Skyline is that, there is no limitation on number of the iterations. Okay, so you tell your requirement, they come with the 3D designs. If you don't like, again you tell them. Okay, so you can go for many number of iterations. So that was very much useful to me. So they get the initial 3D designs. So my one of the concern was that how will be the final outcome, because 3D design was really very nice, but they asked me that, okay, please keep patience and wait for the final outcome. Eventually the final outcome was very good. Okay, it was exactly same as whatever was given in the 3D. So overall satisfaction was very nice, because it really feels great that you are getting whatever is being promised. So one of another requirement was the space utilization. So I spoke to Mr. Imran. I asked him that please send your designer to my site so that we can discuss about, she can have a look at our flat, and then we can discuss about the space utilization. So she came over here, and I told her that how I want to I want a bigger space in the shoe rack, in the crockery, in the kitchen. I wanted multiple drawers. So they took care of all of the requirements, and overall it was very good. One of the best part among all the design is the temple. So the temple design came very nicely. It really, I feel so good that it came much more better than the design. So another part is the TV units. So I was very peculiar about the TV units. I wanted multiple back panels, the lights. Okay, so they made much more better than my expectation. So that is a very fantastic part. So if I look at the TV unit and the temple, it gives me a lot of the pleasure. So Skyline, they promised me interior timeline of the 60 days, because I went for end-to-end interior. So their promise was 60 days, and they were able to deliver within that timeline. So which was pretty nice thing that you are delivering within the time limit whatever you are committing. So overall interior design is very fantastic, because everything came very nicely related with the TV unit, the puja unit, crockery, wardrobe, everything the look and feel is fantastic. It is much more than my expectation, and ambience is very good. The electrical work wise it gives me a lot of the pleasure. If I look at the ambience, the lights, so it looks very nice. Thank you Skyline for making our dream home.
Thank you Skyline to make my room lovely and beautiful.